To move toward just-in-time, try this method using cards to limit inventory and overproduction.
What is a pull system using Kanban?
Hoshin Kanri in Japanese might be translated to this directional device.
What is a compass?
Leveling production throughout a value stream, as shown in this picture, reduces the need to have a lot of this.
What are suppliers?
What is inventory?
According to Pascal Dennis, Hoshin is about getting these things done.
What are the right things?
Teams should not attempt to solve these during a daily huddle, only assign and update status.
What are problems?
Although Jidoka means automation with a human touch, we often use this TPS pillar to mean built-in this.
What is quality?
In tracking performance metrics using SQDC to signify the categories, D typically stands for this.
What is delivery?
An operator balance chart shows the working time for each operator per unit versus this.
What is tact or tact time?
Heijunka is about leveling the volume of work as well as this.
What is the mix?
When creating a continuous flow cell, this letter shape layout is often preferred to reduce motion waste.
What is a U?
Thanks. That is our show for today.